Hey everyone! How's it going? My name is Henry. In this video, I'll share everything you need to know about the Alka Water DIY bottle before you decide to buy it. I also have some important warnings, so make sure to watch until the end to avoid wasting your money. First warning, watch where you buy. Be very careful about where you purchase this product. Right now, the Alka Water DIY bottle is only available on the official website. To make things easier, I've included the official website link in the video description and pinned it in the first comment below. I'm here in the corner of your screen to give you my honest review, share my experience, and help you decide whether the Alka Water DIY bottle actually works. What is the Alka Water DIY bottle? The Alka Water DIY bottle is a revolutionary hydration solution that lets you convert regular tap water into alkaline water effortlessly. Using advanced ionization technology, this bottle raises the pH level of your water, offering potential health benefits. But this isn't just a regular water bottle, it's a game changer for anyone looking to improve their hydration and overall well-being. Key features: transforms tap water into alkaline water. Portable, durable, and easy to use. Operates through electrolysis to enhance water quality. More cost-effective than bottled alkaline water. Rather than spending money on expensive bottled water or complex filtration systems, this bottle lets you take control of your hydration with minimal effort and investment. How does the Alka Water DIY bottle work? The Alka Water DIY bottle uses ionization technology to separate water into acidic and alkaline components through electrolysis. Here's how it works. 1. Fill the bottle with regular tap water. 2. The built-in ionization system activates, applying an electric current. 3. This process alters the water's molecular structure, increasing its pH level and mineral content. 4. In just a few minutes, your water is transformed into alkaline water, ready to drink. Alkaline water is known for its potential benefits, such as neutralizing acidity in the body, which may contribute to better overall health. With its simple operation and compact design, the Alka Water DIY bottle is perfect for anyone, whether you're at home, at work, or on the go. Final thoughts. If you are looking for an affordable, convenient, and effective way to improve your hydration, the Alka Water DIY bottle is definitely worth considering. Remember, only buy from the official website to avoid scams. Let me know in the comments if you've tried it or have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.